Hello everybody. So this is my 16-foot 1978 Haluma weld. I have it all taped off. I have the primer coat of the Wetlander on. Let me back up. That is 5 very thin coats, including the rail. What was on here was Gluvit. That's Gluvit. It looked like a third grader put it on. It was thick in some spots, and it was thick. It was thick in some spots and very thin in the other spots. Came off fairly well. Some of it had to be ground off, but most of it came off with a scraper. This is 5 coats. I did the rail, both the side of the rail and the top. I put extra coats, so there's probably about 8 coats on the rail, because that's going to be the first thing that hits the rocks. As you can see, there are a couple dents from where it has some war wounds. So I went and about a foot in front of that, in front and back, I put extra coats on the very center, since this has a very good, what they call rocker. The front part of the boat and the back part of the boat are hardly ever in the water. The bow and the stern. But so, the directions say to let this cure for 24 hours. Well, I have a dental appointment tomorrow, so it will be, this is Monday. I will come back on Wednesday and do the top coat. What I am using is Wetlander, and I have it in the mint green. I didn't want to go the brown option. Like I say, this is the 5th coat. So there are there's 5 coats on the whole bottom. And then from this line here, that line there, back about 18 inches, there is an additional coat to the, so there are 5 coats on the whole boat, on the whole bottom, but there are 6 coats. There's a 6th coat in the center. Yeah. Now, I also did the roller to my drift boat trailer. There's the Packer colors. Go Pack Go. Yeah, so this, every time I am finished with a coat with the bottom of the boat, I use the rest of the paint that's impregnated into the roller, into the paint roller, and I put it on here. Let me back up. So the roller has 5 coats, same as the boat. And when I do the top coat on Wednesday, it will have as many coats as the bottom of the boat.